ghuraba, 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 you are the strangers left with no one by your side. Ghuraba, you are suffering through the days and the nights. Ghuraba, you are the strangers left with no one by your side. Ghuraba, you are suffering through the days and the nights, when you feel that you are drowning in your sorrows and despair. Know Allah sees and hears all, know that He is all aware. Ghuraba, 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 ghuraba. It can be hard sometimes to hold on when your children cry in pain. When you feel alone and abandoned, we want to help and come to your aid. Every moment that goes by, your faith in Allah grows. Nothing in this world can ever break you. Trust in Allah, you're never alone. Ghuraba, 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 ghuraba. When there's no hope remaining and you feel the end is near, be strong and know that Allah hears you, He sees your tears. Stay steadfast and remember, it's just a temporary world. Allah's mercy awaits you in Jannah, your final abode. Ghuraba, ghuraba,